Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to add videos to your Kahoot quiz. Let's say you've created a Kahoot quiz already, but now you want to add a video to it. So the first thing you do is from the button, click on the library at the bottom here. Then you see Kahoot at the top. Then choose your Kahoots. Then you choose the particular one you want to add a video to. So let's add a video to this. So click on the pencil icon to show you want to edit it first of all. And then you choose the particular one you want to add the video to. So let's say add media. I want to add the video, so I choose video. You can find a YouTube video, tap on the share icon and copy the link, and then tap and paste the button here. So you can find it here and paste it here. You don't use a YouTube video, you want to use your particular video. Let's go back. So you can choose from your gallery. So we have photo, we have albums. Unfortunately, it can only access the photos you gave it permission to. Let's see if it can access videos. It seems it can't access videos. It seems it cannot access videos. As in my videos. Maybe I didn't give it permission to. Let's see if we can do a video right now. Let's see if we can make it into a video. Right now it's in picture mode. So it seems we cannot make a video. We can't make a video. Instead, it's a picture you can take. And then one videos, you have to choose the last option here, and it has to be a YouTube video, unfortunately. So that's it. So once you pick the video, you paste the URL here and you click on done. Once you get the video, you can now add it to this place. So hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.